Hi guys, trying to start my natural gas space heater for the first time this year. This is a Vanguard heater. I've had this for about 20 years now. It's worked great. Haven't had any problems with it other than trying to start it every year, which is, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve that pretty quick and easy here in the video today. This heater doesn't have any electricity to it. It's just gas. Comes from the gas line underneath the house, connected here. As you can see, the gas is already turned on to the heater. To start the heater, you just push the igniter here to spark the pilot light. At the same time you're sparking it, you hold it down into the pilot position. So let me kind of show you what's going on. Okay, so I could do that 1,000 times and it's still not come on. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in the off position here. I'm going to go ahead and turn the gas off as well to it. And I'll show you what I'm going to do to get this thing started today. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take the cover off. To do that, there is a couple of screws, and mine there's actually place for 4, but there's only 2 in mine, so I'm going to take those 2 screws out. When I take those screws out, I'll be able to just pull it the bottom towards me, and there'll be a couple of slots up here that I'll just have to pull the cover away from. So let's get those screws out first. Okay, so you see the 2 screws there. So let's grab the panel from the bottom, and then there's going to be some slots here that just comes out. You see the one maybe there, and just pull the whole thing off. Real easy to do. Set that aside. Now for some cleanup here, because you can see how dusty it is. Here is where we're going to be working, but before we do that, let's get a slightly damp rag and clean off all this dust here. Alright, so I wiped down the heater, vacuumed some of it, blew off around the thermocouple, and was able to get to the burners from underneath here and wipe any dust and hair off of those. So what I'm going to concentrate now is cleaning this little sensor. There's a ceramic sensor or sparker, I'm not sure what it's called actually. Has a very small little wire there on the end of it. I'm going to clean that off. There's the thermopile here. It's got some carbon buildup on it. Not really concerned about that. Thermostat here. So if we can focus on that, it's got some carbon buildup on that. So I'm going to try to clean that off some. Now when I clean it off, I'm not going to be trying to make it bright or clean all that off. I'm just going to wipe it down, and that's pretty much the extent of it. So what I'm using is I've got some steel wool here, and this is 0 grade. It's all I have. You really need quadruple 0. It's a little more coarse than I would like. The scrub brush here would probably work too if you don't have any steel wool. So let's go ahead and wipe that sensor down, that little ceramic piece. There's a little wire on the end of that ceramic piece right there. And then I'm going to try to wipe off that thermocouple as well. All right, that should do it. Let's go ahead and put the panel back on here and let's give it a spark and try to get the pilot light going. All right, second screw is in. Let's give it a start. Let's turn the gas back on. I'm going to hold it for a few seconds here.
I'm trying to hear them talking.
All right, good. For another year. Let's go ahead and turn it on pilot, see if it stays on.
I don't have
No flickering, but a nice blue flame. So that's it, guys. Hope the video's been helpful. If you have a natural gas space heater, it's pretty easy to keep these things going. They're really reliable. At least this one has been. And we've liked it a lot. So thanks for watching. Hope it's been helpful again. Until next time, have a great day out there. Take care.